A warm welcome to all of you to my lecture series on this YouTube channel English Mania. Feed the mind, feel the English. So this video lecture is the answer key of practice set paper 1 of English subject for class 12 students. So I have already uploaded 2 paper set of English subject according to the new board examination paper pattern. So here in this video lecture I am going to show you the answers of the questions which were there in paper set 1. You can easily go to the description box of this video. I am providing you a link of paper set 1 of English subject in the description box of this video. Let's see question number 1. A1 activity is rearrange the jumbled sentences. The correct order is: the liftman dashed the passenger out of the lift. Second is the complainant said that he wanted to go to the top floor. Third one is bad manners do not come under legislative system. And last one is law doesn't force anyone to say please. So this particular passage is from the lesson on saying please. Second question is describe what the liftman expected from the passenger and how was he responded from the passenger. Answer is while entering the lift, the passenger said top. The liftman disliked it. He was expecting the words top please. The passenger refused to do so. As a result, the liftman threw the passenger out. A3 is distinguish between a legal offense and a moral offense on the basis of the extract. So legal offense is burglary and the other one, moral offense, is discourtesy. In the same way, bribery, insult, murder, disrespect, riot, discrimination, or any other reasonably correct points are accepted in this answer. A4 is personal response type question. A5 is language study. Pick out the infinite and non-finite verbs in the following sentence. Will permit is a finite verb and to retaliate is non-finite verb. And the answer of the question of WH question is what did the liftman demand. Vocabulary is find out the words in column B which collocate with the words in column A. Traffic, jam, key, concept, free, time, fast, food. So in language study you have 2 different questions. One is do as directed. You have 3 questions, non-textual grammar questions, and in E2 you have spot the error question. You can check the question in the question paper. So question number 2 is for unseen passage. B is for summary writing. So this is the summary of the unseen passage. C is mind mapping and develop a mind map using your own ideas, changes in personality. So this is the answer of mind mapping. Section 2 is for poetry, and these are the answer of first poem, question number 3A. Personal response type question, find out the examples. And A5 is creativity, poetic creativity. I have already uploaded a video lecture where I have given answers of all the poems on A5 creativity. Poetic appreciation, father returning home. So I did not solve section 3 writing skill because it completely depends on you how you write your answer, and I have already made so many videos on writing skill section. You can go and check it out. I am providing you a link of writing skill and which one you should attempt in your examination. I have already told you. A5 is for the literary genre novel. A1 is question number 5A will definitely come from the lesson 4.1 history of novel. Correct answer is epistolary novel means letters and diaries entries. Allegorical novel means symbolic meaning, and Gothic novel means mystery and thrill. Picaresque novel has adventure of hero. Pick out the odd element from the group. So Charles Dickens is the odd element. You can see the question in the question paper. second is growth, philosophical, and last one is cultural. Question number 5b is from the lesson 4.2 to serve with love. Question is describe the atmosphere of the school mentioned in the extract. So the answer is the special days mentioned in the extract. Students' Council's half-yearly report came out. Students reported to faculty and other students about their performances. The entire program was conducted by students. 3 teachers were selected to answer the questions. Students asked questions quite freely and fearlessly. The students were given freedom to ask questions. Question number 2 is select 2 statements that describe the theme of the extract. So these are the 2 statements. C is from the lesson 4.3 around the world in 80 days. Question number 1 is which of the following are used as a means of transport in the novel? How do they help the character in the extract? So out of these 4, 3 means are used as a means of transport. They are elephant, trains and steamers. These mean really helped people wander around the world. They faced a number of difficulties too. Finally, they succeeded to reach London to win the wager. Second question is find and explain the significance of various exciting incidents in the extract in the novel Around the World in 80 Days. First one is the imprisonment of Fogg. His return journey to London would be delayed. His train would have missed. Second is release of Fogg. He could reach London on time. Third is Auda's marriage proposal. It showed her gratefulness towards Fogg. And last one is Fogg at Reform Club. He reached there at the last moment and won the wager. So you may mention other incidents too. Last question will be from definitely 4.4 the sign up. 4 question is write 4 to 5 sentences about the meeting of Miss Marston with Sherlock Holmes. The meeting was held at Holmes' house in Baker Street. The mysterious disappearance of Marston's father was discussed. Miss Marston showed Holmes the pearls, boxes and the letter. Finally, they planned to follow all instructions to meet the writer of the letter. Miss Marston seemed to be confused and agitated during the meeting. Narrate in brief the importance of the places Edinburgh and Andaman Island from the extract. So Edinburgh's importance is Mary's childhood was spent here. She was studying here in one of the boarding schools till the age of 17. Edinburgh is the crucial place for Mary. Second place is Andaman Island. Major Sholto and Captain Marston were stationed at the Andaman Island. They were in charge of the troops. Jonathan Small was also kept in jail here for the robbery. Then he made a deal with guards here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question related to this particular video, you can ask me in the comment box of this video. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now.